In front of me is POCO F4, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on edit, and now just tap on add photo. And you can either take a photo, so if someone is staying right in front of you, it's just perfect. You can quickly and easily apply some photo to your contact, or you can choose profile picture by tapping on choose photo. Here you've got the folders from which you can pick the picture, but as I don't have any pictures yet, let me just take a photo straight ahead. So just grab your phone, grab a picture, and then you can apply this image to your contact. Tap on confirmation mark, then you can customize it, click on OK, save, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that would be all. So you can personalize contacts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.